Hello, welcome back again to the drum room. This is Billy Ashbaugh, drummerconnection.com, and today we're going to look at our first shuffle groove. I love shuffles because they involve triplets, and anything involving triplets can tend to be a little tricky, especially in the beginning. So as we look at this groove, the first thing you have to understand is how to count and feel a steady flow of eighth note triplets. Typically we count those 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, although there's several different ways. How you count it doesn't matter. In my opinion, it's just how you phrase it and make it feel good. So I'm going to give you an example of a steady flow of eighth note triplets on the hi-hat. Okay, there's the steady flow. Now, for the shuffle groove, what the hi-hat does is play what they call a shuffle pattern. What this does is take every single middle triplet and leave it out, leave it silent, which leaves the first and last triplet of every beat being played. Sounds like this. Okay, once that's comfortable, a little trick that I do, I like to take quarter notes, accent them with the shoulder of the stick into the side of the cymbal like this, the hi-hat like we talked about earlier, and catch the last triplet with the tip. Sounds like this. Okay, we're piecing this thing together. Next, let's bring in the snare drum. Now remember, all we're going to do is bring it in on beats 2 and beat 4. Very important. Pay attention to the hi-hat, make sure that it doesn't change in any way, and you don't break up that nice groove that you already have going. So just bring it in the snare first. Sounds like this. All right, the hands are settled, feeling and sounding good. Now we're going to bring in the kick drum. Let's start off with something very basic. Let's just go for 1 and 3. Okay, your first basic shuffle pattern. Not too crazy, not too involved, just 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Now from this point, experiment. Move the kick drum around all over the place, create different types of grooves. The important thing is make sure that your hands stay exactly where they are. Don't let them change and feel. So what I'm going to give you is a quick demonstration. I'll give you 2 different grooves. I'll switch the kick drum around each time and play sort of a typical shuffle pattern for you. Okay, one more idea. On the bass drum, we've yet to play the middle triplet. I love to do this. It's a lot of fun. Again, this one's quite tricky, a little more advanced, but I'll give you an example of what that sounds like. And there you have it, your introduction to your standard blues rock shuffle. Not that hard, it's more of just a feel thing. Playing triplets can be a little tricky, so again, as always, relax, slow this stuff down, make it feel comfortable, slow, and then gradually speed it up, and you can't go wrong. We got a lot more triplet stuff coming up, especially shuffles. We got ghost notes and a ton of different things going on, so be sure and check back for all of that.